regular. So look at this nice trout right here, guys. Lots of wind. We're trying our best, catching some catfish here with Captain Roy in the 956. Trout right here for Father's Day for my dad. So Dad, you're gonna be eating some nice trout for dinner. So yeah, it's been a long minute since we've been over here. Let's keep it going, guys. Here's the 956. We got a fish, we got a fish. Oh my goodness, yeah, trout, bud. Trout. Wow, it's been a long minute. Nice. That's good. Oh my goodness. You got Bubba. You got Bubba. Good size. We caught a keeper, bud. Not really. Not really. That's pretty good, Captain. We need to get him bigger. Nice. My goodness. Well, that's a start. Let's go. Here in the 956. Doing some saltwater fishing. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Oh, this one's pulling. This one's pulling, guys. Oh no! A hardhead. Are you kidding me, man? Man, I like catching catfish, but not these kinds. Yeah. Let's go, boys. Come on, Roy. Come on, Captain Roy. Let's go. Find out what it is first. Find out what it is first. Trout? Okay. Nice. Way to go, bro. Nice. Keep the reel above water. Awesome. Fish on. Fish on, blood. Way to go, bro. Way to go, blood. Nice. Awesome. Okay, show it off, man. Show it off. Just be careful, man. Just be careful. Nice. Hey, that's a sweet one, dude. That's a speckled trout, bro. Keeper, does that look like 15 inches?
What do you think? Oh, is it there? Is it in there?
Okay, measure it, bud. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's 15 inches right there. How much?
12.
Oh, dude. Nice. Hey, that's pretty good, right?
Okay, what's the limit on this?
15. 15 to 20. Yeah. 15 to 20 inches, blood. Red. Unlimited sand trout. Yeah. Way to go, bud. Let's go. Let's get the big one. Show, boys. Oh my goodness. Fish on. Way to go, man. Find out what it is first. Oh, nice. Put it in. Put it in. Yeah.
It's too small.
Oh, nice. What is it? A red?
Red.
Beautiful, bud. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Way to go, bud. No, it's fine. All right, so let's keep it up. Show it off. Show it off. Nice. Way to go, bud. Fish on, boys. Oh my gosh. Fish on. Oh, this one's got some muscle. Oh man. Yeah, this one's got some muscle. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me just make sure. Hang on. No, never mind. It's a catfish. Oh, really good. Fish on. Oh, fish on, boys. As soon as it hit the water, this one is something. This one is something. Yeah. Yeah. Trout. Trout, keep a trout. Yes. Yeah, keep a trout. Is it on?
No. See.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get my shoulder.
What happened? It popped? With the 50-pound test line? Oh man, nice. Oh my goodness, guys. I felt that one as soon as wow. I'm trying to put the stringer on it before even touching it. And this one should be the real deal, and it's gonna go to my pops. It's gonna go to my pops for Father's Day. So a Father's Day trout. Alright, so I'm gonna take care of this, guys. Captain Roy, he's gonna fix his fishing line over there, and we'll continue here in the 956 Salty Life. Let's go. Fish on, boys. I have some. Oh yeah, trout. Yeah, keeper trout, keeper trout. All right, nice. Nice, guys. Keeper trout. 2 trout, bros. 2 trout. Oh. Oh, you spin the... Alright. Right there, guys. Nice trout right there. Keeper trout right there. Live shrimp. We've been catching some kitties, but got one this one right here, man. So we're gonna string it up, guys, and yeah, we'll keep it up. Let's go here in the 956 catching trout.